Hi, I'm sitting here with Jeff Segebarth, Vice President of North American Sales for Workfusion. Jeff, thank you so much for joining us. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Absolutely, Shaun. Thanks, man.
So tell me, one of the unique things about Workfusion, and we've been a partner for a while. We love your tool, your platform. Really, it's not fair to call Workfusion a tool because it's really a platform, and that's one of the things that I think is most important about it is you guys take sort of a different approach than some of these other tools might. Why don't you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, and I think I often say, in a pond full of ducks, we're a swan, right?
Okay.
Like,
yeah.
There are tools at this show, and they all kind of look the same. They all basically do the same thing in terms of RPA. Maybe there's some minor differences from the functionality, but at the end of the day, you write a rule and it goes and it does something. We view automation from at the process level, and what we're actually doing is automating an entire process. RPA is a component, RPA is a tool that gets us some data, or gets us to some information, but really what you need is human in the loop, you need a platform, you need the ability to orchestrate work between people and bots, and then you need an end-to-end platform for automation. And at the core of our platform is artificial intelligence, or really machine learning. And what that does is it learns what the business analyst is doing and allows you to take unstructured content, unstructured data, to really just do more. It's the long tail of automation. So Shaun, we get lumped into the RPA space a lot. And that's fine, because we have a product, we have an RPA product, we have a free RPA product.
Yeah.
But we talk much more strategically, as you know, right, with some of our joint customers. We're operating at the CIO level. Yeah. We're not selling bots to division managers. We're doing automation programs, executive-led automation programs, and really it's a game changer.
What do you think? I mean, what are some of the main challenges that your customers are facing in trying to move forward with this technology?
Yeah, there's still the business case, and I think we should be done with it. Everyone knows there's ROI in robots. The business cases are there. You don't have to go and spend a bunch of money to evaluate, to prove it out, right?
Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah.
And as I mentioned, you can download free bots from Workfusion and just do it.
Yeah.
There's often do we fix the business process first and then automate it, or do we automate what might be a bad business process? That's where our partnership comes in, right? Because with us, you can do both, right? You can fix the process and kind of automate along the way, and it's a win-win for Cognizant and Workfusion.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
I'm hearing a lot of the same conversations, that you hear at a lot of the shows. So we're trying to add a little flavor to it and move it beyond just the RPA talk. Let's talk about real challenges at the executive, at the board level,
right,
and how we're going to solve those specific problems, because that's where combined we can solve the bigger problems.
Well, that's great, Jeff. Thank you so much for coming by.
Absolutely,
really appreciate it. Always a pleasure.
Yeah, good seeing you, Shaun.
Yeah, likewise.